Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix phone call dialer keypad change problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting, scroll down little bit and find here apps. You can search here phone. Go down, tap on storage. You can see that clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete all data. Now go back to your home screen. Now go back to your Play Store application. Search here home. Tap on this phone. Now tap on uninstall phone. Tap on uninstall. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap on your phone. Your problem hopefully solved successfully. You can see that already keypad, recent and contact. Thank you for my watching to video. Please subscribe to my channel.